not a delay. Appear to Chambeyam. Zedin ki Gamra Pese ki Tagle Timo member Rapsen Kadam Tinji Sumru Topa Yi Lotu Pope Nangwa Zeldus. So, you know, these are the 30 consonants. And you also know that these three, za, cha, za, you don't have this in Nepali and in English. So you have to be a bit careful with these three. Sha, sa, ha, low tone, which you don't have in English or in Nepali. So these three, you have to be careful. Sha, sa, ha. And we are done with the vowel E, kiku. Nepalima bhareikar, ka, kiku, ki, kha, kiku, ki, ga, kiku, gi. Tisakya haina. And at the same time, you have learned some words. Kha, mouth, nga, eye, ja, tea which you drink, nya, fish, na, if he comes, if it rains, if I get time, if, fa and ma, next to each other. Fa stands for father, ma for mother, and these together becomes parents. Cha, salt, la, to, in, at, on, gi, apostrophe s, tashis, tashigi, ji, you will see this in classical Tibetan. These are interrogative words. What, which, what, which. So in spoken we don't use it as much. And then nya, kikuni, dot, ma, nima. Nya, kikuni, check, ma, check. So these dots separate these two letters. So ni, ma. Nima can be a name of a person which means son. Nima, gam, nima, din, nima sum. Nima can be Sunday. Every time you see this in a text, shakikushi is peace. Shakikushi is to die, verb to die. Now today we will do with vowel U. Nepali ma chai chotai ukar. Just siknu ekdamai sajilo parcha. So यो चाहिँ नेपालीमा छोटै उकर जस्तै नै देख्छ. And in English it looks a little bit like U, the letter U. So ka, shabju, ku. So Nepali जानेले का छोटै उकर नभन्ने का, shabju, ku. Ka, shabju, ku. So there are 4 vowels, only 4 vowels, and we are done with vowel E, which is in Tibetan kiku. Now we are doing the second vowel, shabju, ka, shabju. So ka, shabju, ku, ka, shabju, ku, no expiration, ka. Shabju Ku. Ka Shabju Ku. Ka Shabju Ku. Ga Shabju Gu. Ga Shabju Gu. Nga Shabju Ngo. So no aspiration, aspirate, low tone. So the difference is ku, ku, gu. Ku, ku, gu. Ku, ku, gu. Ku, ku, gu. Nga, ang lai sa katira nga shabju ngu. Nga shabju ngu. Cha shabju chu. Cha shabju chu. No aspiration. Cha high tone. Cha shabju chu. Cha shabju chu. Aspirate. Cha shabju chu. Cha shabju chu. So you cha shabju chu, Rai, Tamang, Yolmo, Dupa, Sikkimis, Niwar को भाषामा चाहिँ अनि टिबेटन को भाषामा छ सब्जु छु माने पानी वाटर छ सब्जु छु छ सब्जु छु. So we learned one more word with vowel shabju. So cha shabju chu. So you have to keep on adding new words to your vocab. Cha shabju chu is water. Chu. Ja shabju ju. The difference is ju, chu, ju. Ju, chu, ju. Nya shabju nyu, nyu. Ka shabju ku, ka shabju ku. Ga shabju gu, nga shabju ngu. Cha shabju ju, cha shabju chu. Chu, water. Sherpa, Tamang, Gurung, Rai. किनभने यो एउटै फ्यामिली एउटै भाषाको फ्यामिली हुनाले गर्दा यो शब्द चाहिँ सबै जातमा यही चलाउँछ. छ सब्जु छु माने पानी वाटर. छ सब्जु छु जा सब्जु जु जु छु जु न्यु ता सब्जु तु था सब्जु थु da shabju du. So these two, da shabju du, da shabju du. When you read classical Tibetan, we don't use it in spoken Tibetan, but when you study Buddhism, when you are studying classical Tibetan or literary Tibetan, da shabju du, you will see this many times. So what does these two word means is tu is to Bharat, to India. 2 on Monday at 3 o'clock in 2003. So this changes depending on the suffix. To start with, you just learn these two are in. These two words are in, at, on, to. And we will learn how to use them later on. So basically it changes depending on the suffix. According to the suffix, which sometimes add, do, as for the word in, ought, in, at, on, to. Sometimes we write to depending on the suffix. That we will do later on. But this is important. Every time you see to or do, it's either to or in or at or on. Nashabjunu, pashabjupu, pashabjupu, bashabjubu. Again, bashabjubu is also a word. Ba shabjubu. Ba shabjubu. Pu. Pu. Pu means son, my son. Pu, or a boy. So in Tibetan, a boy and the word son is exactly the same. Bashabjubu. Mashabjumu. Zashabjutsu. Zashabjutsu. Zashabjuzu. Washabjuwu. Shaloton. Shashabjushu. Sashabjusu. Ashabjubu. Yashabjuyu. Zashabju. Tsu. 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 No expression. Zashabju. Tsu. Second, the one in the second column, aspirate. Zashabju. Tsu. Tsu. Zashabju. Zu. Zu. Washabjubu. Loton. Shashabjushu. Sashabjusu. Ashabjubu. Yashabjuyu. You and you. Rashabjuru. Rashabjuru. Lashabjulu. Shashabjushu. Shu. Sashabjusu is also a word. Sashabjusu. Sashabjusu is an interrogative word. Who? Ko. Ko ho, ko ayo, kosle sikayo, ko. Sashabjusu. Sashabjusu. Hashabjuhu. Ashabjuhu. Okay, short review. Ka shep ju ku, ka shep ju ku, ga shep ju gu, nga like cattle na ko nga shep ju mu, cha shep ju chu, cha shep ju chu, ja shep ju ju. Chu means water. Nya shep ju nyu, nya shep ju nyu, ta shep ju tu, ta, no expression, high pitched, high tone, ta shep ju tu, aspirate, ta shep ju tu, low tone, da shep ju du, na shep ju nu, pa shep ju pu, pa shep ju pu, ba shep ju pu, केटा kita छोरा, मेरो छोरा एकजना केटा, केटा कि त छोरा, बा शब्जु बु, मा शब्जु मु, चा शब्जु चु, चा शब्जु छु, जा शब्जु जु, वा शब्जु वु, शा शब्जु शु, सा शब्जु सु, not sa, sa shebju su, a shebju wu, ya shebju yu, ra shebju ru, la shebju lu, sha shebju shu, sa shebju su ko ayo, ko cha, sa shebju su, ha shebju hu, and lastly a shebju wu. So we are done with 2 vowels. Now we have 2 more vowels that we will cover in the coming days. And at the same time, we have learned many words. Chik, ni, sum, shi, na, tuk, dun, ge, gu, chu, chukchik, chungni, choksum, chupshi, chunga, chuduk, chudun. So we have also learned 17 words. 17 words. So we are done with the vowel shebju. And when we were small, our teacher used to say that it is the best time to study is soon after you get up. I believe it's logical because you are not emotionally charged. No one, by the time you have woken up, no one has angered you or made you happy. So you are in a the state of the mind is in natural state, no emotions. So morning, I think, and in Tibetan custom also we say the best time to study is in the morning. I think it's very logical. You are not emotionally charged. Your mind is in natural state. So if it is possible, it's best you study this soon after you get up. You freshen up and then start studying. So that's the best time. Oh yeah, this much for today. Ani sangin jelyong tuchenam.